Okay, Danielle, sorry for the delay. You did a great job, in my opinion. And I'm as I corrected it, and I'm sorry it took a little while, but we were down with the kids, and then I had to run and do a lesson. So this is what was incorrect. Here on this particular one, you said 5-4, and I'm trying to figure out why you said that. But this would be worth 2, like if we're in 4 and we've made the decision that it's not going to be an 8, this would be worth 2 beats, this would be worth a beat, this is worth a beat. Okay, I think I might have figured it out. Then this is worth 2, this is a half rest, so this is worth 2 beats. So already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but then all this together is a beat. Because instead of 3 eighth notes, it would be, as one beat, it'd be an eighth note and a quarter note as one beat. So I'm not quite sure what happened there. Okay, so then the rest of that page was totally perfect, applause. And then 1-4 and 1-5, totally, oh no, there's one thing here, sorry, down here. So in 12/16, there are how many dotted quaver beats in a bar? So dotted quaver, eighth note with a dot. Okay, so in 12/16, a 16th note is getting one beat, and 12/16, think about there'd be 12 16th notes. A good thing to remember here is that 3 16th notes together would make the dotted quaver note. Okay, and then if there were 3 of them, and then there were 3 more. I'm not gonna do this totally correctly. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm not putting all of the lines on here. So just pretend that those, well here, I'll do it like in groups like this. And then these are 16ths. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it would be, there are 4 groups of them. And so that means that there would be 4 dotted quaver notes. Now, if that doesn't totally make sense, like put a question mark on that, and I'll try to do that a little bit further. Your answer, you said 6. So I was trying to figure out, again, how you came up with that. But here, like, if it's confusing, there are how many dotted quaver beats in a bar? So you have to figure out what a dotted quaver is to begin with, and then figure out what the relationship of that is to the 16th note, which is the bass note here. And then I think you would be going on the right track, and then you would be, putting 12 of those out and seeing the groupings. And I think that would be helpful. So hopefully that I didn't make you more confused by all the things I just said. Okay, 1, 4, 1, 5 was perfect. Okay, then going over here to 1, 2, 2. Okay, now we had a little bit of trouble here on 2, 3. Okay, so you're in here, and this part here is bar at sounding pitch for the trumpet in B flat. Okay, so you see this, and they're not helping you with that. Just ignore that information, because now what we got to look at here is what we care about is that we are going up a major second. That's important, exclamation mark, right there. Okay, so we're in the key of G major here, we're in the key of A major here, because we have 3 sharps. You said that was incorrect. That is correct. Then, and then the next one you were correct on. That is correct. Here you're going from F sharp to G sharp. Is that up a major second? Because this is, maybe you were thinking this was F. I'm not quite sure what happened there, but this is correct as well. And then you said this was incorrect, and that's good. Okay, now here you're going from B flat to C sharp. I think what happened here is maybe you were not totally paying attention to the key signature. So B flat to C sharp is more than a major second, so this is incorrect. So that was 3 of the 7 points, Daniel, was this question. If this question was not happened, you would have only missed 4. So I think that's pretty good. And then over here, okay, so the F, C, G, D, A, E, yes, we have the right names of the sharps, but we got a ledger line up there. That does not happen. So this has to be down here. So the pattern is down, up, up. This A sharp needs to be down the octave. Okay, so the correct answer is the tenor clef. Sorry, alto clef. Sorry, I'm looking at the wrong thing. It's the alto clef. It's this. Okay, so, and this, I mean, I think that this looks odd to you, but see, here's the pattern: down, up, down, up, and all it's F, C, G, D, A, E. So, and, okay, hold on, sorry. Okay, then here you had a question. So you just had a question mark here. The other two were correct. So we're going through our system. C flat, E flat, D flat, B flat. I'd be interested to know whether you did any work on this or why it was a question. And then, or maybe this is why, because you're like C flat, then the relative would be E double flat major. Nope, that's disqualified. E flat, the relative major would be G flat. D flat, relative major would be F flat. That's disqualified. B flat, relative major would be D flat. Okay, so we've got two choices here. The G flat major is 6 flats. D flat major is 5 flats. Well, here, if you just don't pay attention to what the letters that I wrote there yet, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 flats. And maybe that's where you're like, wait a minute, this isn't 7 flats. But the first flat and the last flat are the same note. So that would be 6 flats. So it's E flat, D flat, C flat, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat. Now, maybe the problem was when you're doing these minors, remember that there are 3 possible choices. It can be natural minor. Maybe this is what it was. I always like to try to get inside your mind and know why you had the answer that you did. Natural, harmonic, and we haven't spent a lot of time talking about the natural, harmonic, and melodic. So natural is all the same pitches as the major scale, which this is. That is what this is. And then harmonic raises 7th, melodic raises 6th and 7th, but then descending not. So maybe that's what the problem was. So this is the natural form of the E flat harmonic minor scale, descending. And then here, I don't know whether it was that it was the alto clef that tripped you up, but this is hold on, I figured that out the wrong way.